Buying a 3D printer in 2026 isn't just about speed anymore. It's about reliability, multicolor capability, and whether the machine actually makes your life easier or harder. Today, we're putting two of the hottest printers head-to-head, the ultra-smart Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo versus the high-power Creality K2SE combo. One is built for effortless, colorful creations straight out of the box, while the other is engineered for serious makers who demand speed, strength, and long-term performance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3D printer is worth your money in 2026 and which one you should skip. Best deal links are in the description below. Let's dive in.
Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo, best for easy multicolor and beginner success. Let's start with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo, a modern take on compact desktop 3D printing that blends simplicity, speed, and reliability into one package. Out of the box, this little printer is designed to be plug and play. You can be up and printing in about 20 minutes thanks to fully automated calibration and intuitive setup. The A1 Mini supports multicolor printing through AMS Light, letting you create vibrant prints without struggling with complicated hardware or firmware. One of the biggest strengths here is the active flow rate compensation and automatic calibration, features that take the guesswork out of leveling, extrusion, and motion settings. That's a huge win if you're new to 3D printing, or if your goal is to focus more on designing rather than troubleshooting technical issues. You also get silent operation, less than 48 decibels, thanks to active noise cancellation, which makes this machine ideal for home offices or creative spaces where loud fans would be annoying. Performance-wise, the A1 Mini offers a maximum toolhead speed of 500 millimeters per second and high-speed motion control with advanced rail systems and rigid build construction. It's a true Core XY style machine in a small footprint, giving you fast and accurate prints with minimal layer artifacts. Connectivity is modern too, with Wi-Fi and app integration for remote monitoring via Bambu Studio or the Bambu Handy app. Best for beginners and first-time 3D printer buyers, makers who want multicolor prints without hardware mods, users who prioritize quiet, trouble-free printing. Downside, smaller build volume compared to larger machines, limiting very large prints. Not ideal for advanced filaments like ABS or engineering plastics. AMS light color printing can be slower and less flexible than high-end multi-head systems.
Creality K2SE combo, best for speed, power, and serious enthusiasts. Now let's flip the coin and talk about the Creality K2SE combo, which targets a more performance-driven audience. This is a larger Core XY 3D printer with a much bigger build volume, around 500 millimeters per second print speed with high acceleration, perfect for bigger models, prototypes, and hardworking prints out of the gate. Where the A1 Mini aims for simplicity, the K2SE aims for raw capability. Its solid metal frame, advanced extruder system, and smart auto leveling make it rugged and ready for sustained projects. Whether you're printing functional parts, cosplay props, or multiple items in a batch, the K2SE handles it with authority. With smart features like filament runout detection and robust hardware, the experience leans towards serious makers, educators, and professional workshops. Multicolor printing on the K2SE is available using Creality's CFS multicolor system, which can handle multiple filaments and supports color mixing. However, CFS systems are typically harder to install and tune than Bambu's AMS Light, and some users report steeper learning curves when getting the best results. But if you need bigger prints, more robust material support, and a machine that can handle tougher tasks than a compact desktop, the K2SE delivers. Best for advanced hobbyists and pros who want a powerful 3D printer, large prints or batch production, makers who want wide material range and performance. Downside, larger footprint and more complex setup than the A1 Mini, multicolor capability isn't as seamless as AMS Light, can require more tuning and maintenance.
Overall winner, Creality K2SE combo. After weighing ease of use, feature set, speed, and long-term value, the Creality K2SE combo emerges as the overall winner. It's simply a more capable machine across the board, especially for users who want real printing power beyond entry-level. Workflow make it the smarter long-term investment for most creators. Creality K2SE combo, best overall performance and future-proof choice. Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo, best for beginners and hassle-free multicolor printing. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on both printers. Comment which one you would choose, and I'll see you in the next video.